What are the top 3 mistakes home sellers are making today? We'll talk about that next. Hi, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area here on the Florida Sun Coast. We love sharing our 2-minute videos with you to help answer a lot of your real estate questions. Please hit the subscribe button. You know I got to ask. Subscribe below to this channel so you can get to know the market. So, if you're thinking about selling a home, you want to know the top 3 mistakes home sellers are making today? Here's what I'm seeing. The biggest one is overpricing their house in the beginning. More sellers are having to do a price cut right now. 60 out of 80 homes I pulled for a buyer this week. 60 out of 80 big price drops. And that's because they're shooting too high on their pricing. When buyers see that many price drops, they don't always start making offers. Most often, they wait for more price drops. They want to know how low it's going to go. Next up, skipping the small stuff. With inventory growing, it's a big miss to assume the small details don't matter. Make your home move-in ready, maybe even do a pre-listing inspection. That's always a good idea. And the last big one is being unwilling to negotiate. I've seen this cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Yeah, they pass on $2,500 and they lose the sale. I can promise you these things make an impact. Buyers will notice, and these missteps could very easily turn them away. I don't want you to fall into the same traps. So if you're looking to sell, let's spend a few minutes talking this over. I want to be sure you know what to expect, what to avoid, and why working with a pro is extra important right now. I have 5 pricing tools to help us find the sweet spot to price your home. You can see those videos below, by the way. And if you want to sell now or even way down the road, visit whatismyhomereallyworth.com. That's where you get started.